Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable developer option on your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your phone settings. Now from here go all the way down and go to about phone. Now from here go to software information and then find build number as you can see here. But if you cannot find build number from the settings, you can just go to your settings and search for build, and here you can see build number and you will find the build number. Now once you find it all, you have to do is tap on it 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now if you have any pin number on your phone, you need to enter that and then tap on continue. And as you can see here, developer mode has been enabled. And now if we go back to our phone, and at the bottom here you can see developer option. Now to turn off or disable developer option, all you need to do is just go to your settings again, and if you cannot find it in the settings, just search for developer option in the search box. Here you can see, now tap on it, and now just tap on this button here, and that will turn off developer option or disable developer option. And now if we go back to our settings again, and at the bottom here you can see that developer options is not enabled anymore. And that's how you can enable or disable developer options on your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.